Hi, I'm Lori, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a grouping of mini arrangements. The first thing you want to do is choose your collection of vases. Depending on how big your tray is, will decide how many vases that you're using. Today we're going to use 7 different vases. We want different heights, different widths at the top, and different textures on your vases. So now for the flowers that we're using today, we have our ranunculus, our narcissus, there's tulips in yellow and white, and also sweet pea. And then rounding out is the daffodils. Now I like to start with my tallest vase in the back, and I'm also going to use a tall flower that is going to go in that. Now the width of your vase is going to determine how many stems you're going to be able to fit in there. So we want to hold our stems up to the vase. I'm going to hold that. We want to also give those a fresh cut. Now I also recommend not cutting too short to begin with, because you can always cut off the stem, but you can't add a stem onto it. And then we're going to go to our yellow ranunculus here. And again, I'm going to kind of stagger these, but maybe not quite as much as I staggered these. You want those to be a little bit shorter. Also, I'm leaving on the little buds on here. They're nice texture, leaving them a little longer than what I might think. We're gonna position those right down in our vase. Now I'm gonna check my greenery out on my tulip, just very gently peeling that off. I do want to leave some of the greenery. Again, it'll create great interest in the arrangement. We don't want everything to be straight up. Okay, now we're going to move to the center one with our bright yellow daffodils. Now these are going to be quite a bit shorter in the arrangement, not too short, but we want our eye to be drawn to the yellow in the center. Okay, now we're going to move to this one, which is going to be our yellow tulips. And this vase isn't very wide, so we're probably only going to fit 2 in there. And now in this short vase right here, we're going to be using our ranunculus. And we just want those to kind of just sit right on the top of the vase. Okay, now we're down to our last vase here, and this is going to be sweet peas. So this is one that we can just kind of group together. So this is a very simple arrangement to make out of the spring bulbs, and it doesn't take a lot of flowers to make this